The phrase "fine as frog's hair" is an idiomatic expression used to describe something as exceptionally fine, delicate, or precise. It is a playful and whimsical way to emphasize the high level of quality or refinement in a particular situation or object. The phrase draws upon the humorous notion that a frog's hair, being non-existent, is incredibly fine or thin. The phrase is typically used in informal or colloquial settings to convey a sense of admiration or astonishment at the level of perfection or excellence observed. It suggests that the subject being described is of such exceptional quality that it surpasses ordinary standards or expectations. By likening the fineness to that of a frog's hair, the expression employs humor and exaggeration to convey the remarkable nature of the situation or object being referred to. It creates a vivid and memorable image, capturing attention and adding a touch of whimsy to the conversation. While the phrase is often used figuratively, it can also be employed in a literal sense when discussing the physical characteristics of certain materials or objects. For example, someone might comment that a particular fabric is fine as frog's hair to indicate its exquisite texture or the intricate detail of a piece of artwork. Moreover, the phrase can also be used sarcastically or ironically to imply the opposite meaning. In such cases, it suggests that the situation or object being described is far from fine or precise and may even be flawed or subpar. In essence, "fine as frog's hair" is a light-hearted and whimsical expression used to convey a high degree of quality, precision, or excellence. It adds color and vividness to conversations and often elicits smiles or chuckles due to its unexpected comparison of fineness to an imaginary attribute of a frog. While the phrase may not be commonly heard in formal or professional contexts, it is frequently utilized in casual conversations, storytelling, or regional dialects to bring a touch of humor or emphasis to the description of something exceptional or extraordinary. In conclusion, "fine as frog's hair" is an idiomatic phrase that highlights the exceptional quality or precision of a situation, object, or attribute. It employs humor and exaggeration to convey a sense of admiration or astonishment, capturing attention and infusing conversations with whimsy. Whether used figuratively or literally, the phrase evokes a lightheartedness that adds an element of delight to everyday language.